Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am doing a fall inspired makeup look that I have on right now. It is very simple, very easy, very minimalistic because I don't like heavy makeup, but it is inspired by like kind of fall colors. Keep in mind that I'm not a beauty guru or a makeup artist or a makeup expert at all, so if I'm doing something wrong then I'm so sorry. Probably the order of me applying things onto my face is probably going to be off and wrong or not correct. I don't know, but this is the way that it works for me. This is not intended to be a makeup tutorial, but I decided to film this to kind of give you guys some inspiration regarding makeup in the fall time. Let's move on to my makeup look. That'll be it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you would like to see some more makeup related videos from me, please comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, like, check out my other videos, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!